Filing a motor vehicle claim (MVC) case under the Motor Vehicles Act, 1988 involves a structured procedure to seek compensation for injury, death, or property damage caused by a motor accident. The process begins with gathering necessary documents, including an FIR copy, police report, charge sheet or final report, medical records, post-mortem report, if applicable, vehicle-related documents, RC book, insurance policy, driver's license, and proof of income loss or expenses incurred due to the accident. These documents form the basis of the claim and must be accurate and comprehensive. The claim must be filed before the Motor Accidents Claims Tribunal, MACT, which has jurisdiction based on the place of the accident, the claimant's residence, or the location where the insured vehicle is registered. The petition is drafted with details of the claimant, accident specifics, offending vehicle information, injuries or damages suffered, and the amount of compensation sought. The claim can be made under Section 166, which requires proof of negligence, or Section 163A, which provides fixed compensation without the need to prove negligence. The petition is filed against the owner, driver, if applicable, and insurance company of the offending vehicle, along with an affidavit, court fee, and supporting documents. Once the petition is filed, the tribunal issues notices to the respondents, who must file their written replies. The case then proceeds to the evidence stage, where the claimant presents witnesses, medical reports, police records, and other relevant proof. The respondents, including the insurance company or vehicle owner, have the opportunity to cross-examine witnesses and submit their defense. After hearing arguments from both sides, the tribunal delivers a judgment determining the compensation amount payable by the insurance company or the liable party. If the awarded compensation is not paid voluntarily, execution proceedings are initiated to recover the amount. If a party is dissatisfied with the MACT's decision, they can file an appeal before the High Court within 90 days. It is important to note that claims under Section 166 require proof of negligence, while claims under Section 163 follow a structured formula for compensation. Proper documentation and legal representation can significantly impact the success of an MVC case. Would you like help in drafting a claim petition for an MVC case?